$15,114 in the last 30 days selling simple digital products using Claude AI. Let me go ahead and refresh the screen so you can see that this is completely real. Hands are up. As you can see, no editing, no cutting, $15,114 with the highest day being $1,981. And I did this selling PDF guides using Claude AI. Now, I'm showing you this and I'm going to show you everything, all the steps that I took so you can go ahead and try it out for yourself. It doesn't mean it's magic or whatever, but I will just say, take notes, okay? Take notes. And first thing first, this store, I just built it specifically for this YouTube channel to show you things without blurring things out and to show you things without cutting or anything. So I'm also going to show you the PDF guide that I sold, okay? So first thing first, you have to find PDF guide that, PDF guide ideas that actually sell. And if you want to know if a PDF guide has potential of selling, it has to be something based off emotion. So for me, I already know, because I've been doing this for over a year, that the parenting niche, it's one of the most emotional niches you can find out there. So what do I do? What I did was I went on PDF Trend Lab, and that's where I find all my PDF guide ideas, because PDF Trend Lab, what they do is they find PDF guide ideas based on real-time search data of issues and problems people are searching for right now. You get what I'm saying? That's what makes it special, because if you just use anything to search for ideas, you're gonna see, people searching for things like what's the weather today. No one cares about that. So PDF Trend Lab, they made it specifically where they find, issues and problems people are searching for right now on the internet, on Google, social media, wherever, and they pull it and then turn it into a PDF guide idea for you. I have never seen anything like it. If you want to try it out, link will be in the description and pin comment down below. This is literally what I've used my 99% of my PDF digital products journey. Always, because it just makes sense and it saves headache of trying to, go on, Reddit and just Facebook groups to find what problems and crap people are, going through. So I just, use it to save time, and it also comes with good ideas, because this idea right here made $15,114. So how do I use PDF Trend Lab? I click, whether you're on the dashboard or on the sidebar, click generate ideas. And then what I did was I selected parenting. You can do 15, 20 ideas at a time, whatever you want. Let's just do 15. Click generate ideas. That's exactly what I did to accomplish this right here, okay? So like I said, I'm showing you everything I did step by step, and we're gonna get into the Claude AI part here right after this. So as you can see, PDF Trend Lab will literally pull up, issues and problems people are searching for in real time. Like I said, everything I say in this video, you can try it out for yourself. You don't have to. You can use whatever you want to use. I'm just showing you what I do. And if it made, this much money in the last 30 days on a brand new digital product store, then maybe you should take notes or try it out. I don't know. Completely up to you. But yeah, I'll leave a link in the description and pin comment down below for PDF Trend Lab. So what I did was, I found this idea, saved it, and then I simply just took it to Claude AI. And well, I didn't actually do that, but I'm going to tell you what you can do, because like I said, I've been doing this for some time, right? So for you, what you would do is you would type in, make this title and subtitle punchy and hit for PDF guide. And then I just pasted this, title and subtitle that PDF Trend Lab gave me right here. Now, the reason why I'm not just going to use this on my PDF guide is because this is long, okay? Remember, PDF Trend Lab is pulling search data, real-time search data of issues and problems people are searching to resolve online right now. So it's going to do its best to give you like a title and subtitle or whatever. But me, as a professional, someone who's been selling products online for a long time, I just know that selling something like this with this long title and long subtitle won't hit. So I usually would tell, you guys watching this video to shorten it and make it punchy. And you can go to Claude AI and tell it to do that for you. And as you can see, it'll give you some options here. Sleep like a dream. And then the title right here, shorter. You can even couple up sleep like a dream with how to end bedtime drama and raise a champion sleeper. Those two would match for, a title and a subtitle. That's much easier to read and much more emotional than, just the actual search term that, PDF Trend Lab tries to put together as a PDF guide title and subtitle, okay? I wouldn't say PDF Trend Lab is great at giving you the exact title and subtitles, in my opinion. That's why I like to shorten them, but it's great, really great at giving you the idea, the actual search, term, what you should be selling. And that's literally why I use it. So you're going to go to Claude AI, and you're going to come up with, the shorter title and subtitle. Like I said, I've been doing this for a while, so I came up with my own by myself because, I've been doing this for a while, like I said, okay? It comes naturally to me. One day it'll come naturally to you too if you just grind hard enough and stick to it consistently, okay? So for me, I did parent. Oh, well, not parent, parents. This is a typo. There should be an S right here. Hate a choppy sleeper. How to address sleep issues and fix it for good. That's literally what I came up with. And you can't tell me if a parent sees parents hate a choppy sleeper. When they see that, they're going to relate like, oh my God, tell me about it. Whether they've had 1, 2, 3 kids, they know every single kid is pretty much the same. You get what I'm saying? So that's going to strike that emotion that I'm talking about. And when you strike emotion, you make money. It's literally, it's simple, but it's not easy, right? It's a simple idea. You just got to execute properly. So all I did was tell Claude AI, write a full PDF guide with actionable steps for the title Parents Hate a Choppy Sleeper, subtitle How to Address Sleep Issues and Fix It for Good. So when it did that, it came up with the whole, as you can see, the whole PDF guide right there. You can tell it to make it 10 pages, 20 pages, whatever you want to do. This is pretty much the prompt that I gave it, and it gave me what I needed. Now, like I said, I want to be completely transparent with you guys. This is obviously not the exact screen or anything that I did. Obviously, I did this over a month ago, right? So I'm just replicating pretty much what I did. The only thing that I will not show you exactly is the, image that I used and everything, because you can easily kind of go in the store, and because I have Facebook pixels and all that stuff tracking it, I don't want you guys to, ruin my pixel and see my ads because you're not my ideal customer, right? So the image that I used here is similar, but not exactly. Same with the title and subtitle. But it's very similar, if that makes sense. This would work, in my opinion. If mine worked for $15,114, then this would work as well, if that makes sense, okay? So all I did was design something that I know pops out at the, potential customer. So after Claude AI gave me the full PDF guide, all I did was come here on Canva, and then I went on unsplash.com, found an image, right? Downloaded the image, placed the image right here, wrote my title, subtitle, and signed it by a parent who's been there 6 times, okay? And then all you're gonna do, click add page, and then you're gonna come here and copy the content inside of the PDF guide one at a time and paste it in the pages. Literally, Claude AI did 90% of the heavy lifting for me as far as creating the actual PDF guide, right? That's why it's insane to just think that we can do this nowadays. You get what I'm saying? Obviously, you want to read the guide to make sure it flows, it sounds good, and it's something that could actually, help someone, even if it's, just 1%, become 1%, happier or whatever, based on whatever it is that they're going through, because these guides are usually selling for $9 to $27 on average. So it's not like they're paying $5,000 for, a PDF guide. So it better, solve their issues. You get what I'm saying? You're just trying to give them some hope pretty much, and people eat this stuff up clearly. Okay. So after I created the PDF guide on Canva, I just designed my store on Shopify. And by the way, everything I'm saying right now, I will literally have a full step-by-step course for free. I'll link it right here or right here at the end of this video. It's going to show you how I push the buttons, how I design everything step-by-step, how I do the colors, everything. It's going to show you that. I'll link that video right here. I have nothing to sell you. I'm just showing you what I do. Hopefully one day, I'm able to get like 100,000 views per video. Then it'll be worth, making these videos. For those of you that think, why are you making these videos if you have nothing to sell? That's the problem. Y'all been sold to way too many times. I just want to make videos, man, and be a YouTuber. That's literally one of my biggest dreams. And hopefully I can be getting 100,000 views per video, 50,000 views per video one day. And obviously then I'll be making AdSense revenue. So the ads you see before my video plays, I'll make money from that. I'm just keeping it 100% with you guys. Anyway, I'm getting off track. So after that, the next thing you want to do, like I said, is create your Shopify store. Okay. I don't use Etsy or, Gumroad or any of that, digital product selling website, because you can't fully customize your website. I like being able to make my, PDF guide an experience. Okay. Once again, emotion sells. That's why you buy anything, because if you feel something, not because you just want to blow money, right? So it's like you have to fully tell the story, and you can't do that on Etsy or Gumroad. Hence why I'm able to do $15,000 in 30 days of a brand new PDF guide. That's just what I do. I use Shopify because you can fully customize it, and just make it a whole experience. And lucky for you guys, Shopify gave me a link where you can use Shopify for $1 per month for 3 whole months. Okay. If you follow everything I'm saying, not in just this video, but in the step-by-step guide and course that I'll link right here at the end of this video, if you can't pay for the subscription after 3 months, then I'll be honest, just, enter a new email address. It's as simple as that. Y'all be acting like, if the $1 per month expires, you can't just create a new, email. Anyway, that's what I would do if I can't make sales in 3 months. But yeah, now the best part, marketing. Now for this PDF guide right here, parents, hate a choppy sleeper, how to address sleep issues and fix it for good. I used YouTube influencers. Now, if you go on YouTube and you type in parenting, you can see that right here, the search volume is very high, okay? That's why I choose the parenting niche and the mom niche or whatever, because it's just someone is having the baby right now. Does that make sense? And those people that just had the babies, they're stressed out, or they're finna be and gonna be when they see how much, crazy being a parent is, even if they've done it before. So it's insane that, you guys are not selling PDF guides or, anything in parenting niche. I don't know. That's just one of the best niches that I've ever worked with online in general. So all I did was I went on YouTube, typed in parenting, and the goal here is to look for influencers, because I'm going to be doing influencer marketing. Okay. That's exactly what I did. You want to scroll for as long as you need to until you find, pages like this, Parenting Hacks, 73,000 subscribers. This also depends on your budget. So for me, I have a pretty high budget. That does not mean I'm going to spend, $1 million to make $1 million. No, I start slow depending on what I'm doing it for. And since this is a store for pretty much just for YouTube, I'm not going that hard because, I'm not going to spend $50,000 for something that I'm going to be showing you guys, and then someone's probably going to steal the idea or something like that. But all I did was I went on here, found a bunch of influencers. You need a lot. Okay, that's why it's also a good idea to work in a niche that has huge search volume, right? And then let's say this is the page right here. As you can see, if you go to popular, they're doing 700,000 views on some video. 500,000 views 4 months ago. And this video right here was posted 3 months ago, but it's still getting 60 views per hour. That's why YouTube influencers is the key. Okay, if you're gonna use any influencer, YouTube, because the videos, they'll get views always, especially if the YouTuber is established and has a pretty decent amount of followers, right? So that's all you're gonna do. Find a bunch of influencers, okay? And then you're gonna send them something similar to this, okay? I'm not gonna sit here and, read the whole thing, but pretty much it's my affiliate offer and, offer in general for, each creator that I reach out to. So, hey, create a name. I've been watching your content, blah, blah, blah. I put together a simple PDF guide, blah, blah, blah. I'm pretty much just telling them that this is, a great deal. So I can either give you 50% commission, or I can pay you a flat fee for a 30 to 60 second integration in your video. Which one would you, like? And most influencers, they'll like a combination of this, and I already know that, especially when you're playing with influencers that are, much more established and want money up front. They'll counter offer and say, how about, you pay this and blah, blah, blah. So the reason why I put this here with or is to make them feel like, there's no choice, because then they start sweating because they know they can make easy, money if they just promote this in the videos, but they don't want just a flat fee. They want some commission. So usually an influencer will reach back out, whether it's their management or whatever, depending on the level and size of the influencer, they'll reach back out with a counter offer of like, okay, my fee is usually $3,000. I'll do $1,500 for, a 15% commission. Boom. Now your, flat rate is cut in half. I'm not saying I paid $1,500 for this, but I'm saying, just using that as an example, I specifically paid, you'll actually be surprised when I tell you how much I paid. But before I do, like this video and subscribe, because I'm just keeping it raw and real on this channel. This is fun to me to just be able to show people and maybe inspire 1 or 2 people to actually try something out. You know what I mean? But yeah, I just want to be a YouTuber so bad, like a successful one that gets like at least 10,000 views per video, every video. All you have to do is like and subscribe, and I'm going to keep giving you gems like this. I literally created a store just to literally show you how things are done. And I'm going to keep scaling the store, so you're going to keep seeing, numbers from it. But anyway, I paid $700 with a 15% recurring commission to the influencer to literally post, on YouTube. That's why when you see this right here, there's a spike right here on the day that did $1,981, because that day the video took off a little bit, and boom. That's literally how YouTube works. It's gonna go like this, but the video will get views constantly. That's the key of YouTube influencers. But if you want to see how, to do everything step by step, like build your PDF guides and everything, watch this video right here. It's a full 3-hour course, and it is completely free, like everything else I'm gonna give you on this channel forever. Free, never selling you anything. Peace. Go.